The Orders page is where you can view and manage your supporters' paid orders and unpaid shopping carts. If you're looking for sales information on specific items or by all supporters, you need to view your sales reports here, and you'll find a link to that video on your event site dashboard. The orders are listed by the buyer's names, and you can see the status of an order, whether a vaulted credit card is available for payment, the order total, any payments made, as well as where the order originated. Filters are provided for the most common searches, such as open orders that are awaiting payment or orders that include a sponsorship. You can also use the search window to find a particular order by the buyer's name or bid number. As always, use the Customize button to choose the data you want to display on your own orders page. Click on the Edit icon to view and manage all aspects of a particular order. These buttons allow you to add items, tickets, or donations to any order. Just search for the item you want to add and confirm the price. Plain text links are provided on each line item. Use the Edit link to exchange for a different item or to change the quantity. Use the Return link to remove the item from the order or adjust the price. The top section displays the purchases and donations. This section details the payment history. If you need to make changes to an order, edit the Purchases section first. The software will then calculate whether there is a payment or refund due. When an order has a balance due, the Add Payment button displays. The payment form shows the total amount due, including offset fees, according to your settings. You can add or remove any offset fees by changing the selection here. If you want to apply a partial payment, edit the amount to pay. Most organizations have the default payment option set for credit cards, and that's the form that displays first. If you're accepting other payment options, you can change the payment form by selecting the desired method from this drop-down menu. When the buyer has a vaulted card, it will display here, and one click will charge the card. If they don't have a vaulted card, a form will display instead. When a refund is owed, click the refund link next to the payment. Verify the amount owed and refund payment. Of course, if the original payment was cash or check, you'll need to deliver the refund offline. You can verify the status of the payment transaction here. If the transaction fails, click this icon to see the error message and explanation. It's always best practice to generate an updated receipt after making changes. You can print or email an invoice or receipt for the order here. If you want to send bulk receipts or invitations to self-checkout, you can select the desired records and use the Bulk Action button. If your subscription includes bulk processing vaulted cards, that option also displays on this menu. Finally, orders are typically created automatically from other pages in the software, but you also have the ability to generate an order manually here. Search for an existing user or add a new buyer. Add the desired items, tickets, or donations. Add a payment if you've already received it, and then send an invoice or receipt if appropriate. You can find additional help on every page by clicking on this widget. Here you can browse or search for illustrated instructions. If you can't find what you need, you can contact our support team. And check out our blog for tips and trends in auction fundraising.